Hi to the 16th Bangalore Short Film Festival happening on June 21st, 2026. My name is Karthik Kishan. I'm the lead actor and co-producer for our film Ma Illu. It's an honor to get our film officially selected and to be screened at the film festival. And I'm hoping we'll win some awards just like we did at other film festivals. I want to congratulate everyone who has submitted their films from across the country, and I'm sure you will get recognized. I also want to thank and appreciate everybody who's going to put this event together, from jury members, from event organizers, crew and staff. Without your hard work and effort, we all would not be meeting under one roof, build some amazing network and make some connections. And I'm totally looking forward and super excited to meet you all in Bangalore on June 21st. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I hope you have a wonderful day.